All right, and so you see the recording button go, and it's counting up. That's how you know it's working. And this is the video feed. Everything that you see right here is what it's currently recording. All right, so you can switch back to your browser and follow the rest of the rules. So the first thing you'll do is say your name and your student ID number out loud just to prove that your microphone's working. So like, hello, my name is Lawton Nichols, and my student ID is 1234567. And then it's your job to show me, using your webcam, the following things. So I want to see that your cheat sheet is handwritten on both sides of it, and then you're going to show me all of your scratch paper as well and make sure that it's blank. If you need to, you can make your recording software big, it's still recording, so that you can see yourself in the corner there. So like, here I am, here's my scratch paper, or no, sorry, not my scratch paper, like here's my sample cheat sheet. So there's one side, there's the other, just make sure it's all clear and I can see every piece of it in the video feed. All right, so that's my, just say that, okay, that's my cheat sheet, and then here's some scratch paper, just proving that it's blank. All right, just making sure we're all on an even playing field. All right, so just like center it in your video. You might have to make the window big so you can see yourself better. All right, so you'll do that, and then also go and tell me, show me, maybe if you have a laptop, pick it up, so that you can point it at your desk. Show me that your desk has nothing on it except for your cheat sheet, your scratch paper, and then like stuff to write with, stuff to power your laptop, just the stuff that you need to take the test. Water bottle's fine too. Nothing other than the stuff you're using to take the test. All right, no calculators. If you have multiple monitors, you have to unplug all but one. All right, so just keep that in mind. If you have a desktop computer, you don't have to like lift up your monitor or anything to show me all this. Instead, what I want you to do in that case is don't pick up your computer and point it at the desk or anything. That would be way too heavy. Instead, go and take out your phone. Hopefully that's not close to you right now. Go get it quickly and take a picture of your desk via Discord, and just make sure that I can see you taking that picture in the video feed. So like, you can bring this open again, be like, all right, here's my phone. I'm taking a picture of my desk, and like, bam, I just sent it to Lawton. Okay, so just so that I can line up the time. Okay, make sure we're all doing it fairly, and yeah, I think that's it. So once you've followed all those instructions, it's still recording, right? Still recording. You can click start. You're good to start the test now. Don't stop your recording until after the test has been submitted, okay? And yeah, once you're done with the test, remember to upload your video file on Canvas to the video submission page. And yeah, once you click start, there's a start button here for you. And once you click start, there will be a timer that starts ticking down. For some reason, Canvas shows you all these instructions all over again, but just remember to start scrolling down to get to the real questions, because time is ticking after you click start. Okay, so yeah, I think that's everything. As a teacher, I don't get the start button. I get like a preview button, but you'll have the start button. So here's what it's kind of going to look like for you. All right, you'll see the timer ticking down. Just keep that in mind. You'll see all these instructions again, but the test has started. So scroll down to the real questions, okay? And then you'll just like read the rules. This is a closed book, blah, blah, blah. This is what it's going to be like on the real test. Can't reference everything other than your cheat sheet, no internet, no server, no navigating away from this test page, all right? And then, yeah, here are the real questions. These are just sample questions so that you can get practice so that you're ready for the real deal, like typing in answers. So what's 2 + 2? 4. And then here's like a question about how to like write a Hello World program in C++. Probably the easiest way to write code, if you need to, if that's part of the question, is to change it from paragraph to pre-format it, because then it will be monospace font. It won't be pretty still. It won't be like color coded or anything, but at least it will be monospaced. And then you can type your program. I guess you get a little bit of spell checking. That's kind of useful. And main. The one thing you don't get, unfortunately, is you can't really tab over in the editor, so you'll have to use spaces to just make everything pretty looking. But yeah, that should do it. Get some practice with that, and yeah, either you'll finish the test by the time expiring and the page just goes back to the submission page. So either your time expires or you finish early. If you do finish early, there's like a submit button. You can either click that or wait for the time to expire. Whatever happens to you is fine. Let's say that I finished the quiz or the test early. I'll click the submit quiz button. All right. And then, bam, quiz submitted. once you've done that, the last piece of the instructions, right, is to upload the video file after you've submitted. You can stop the recording now that we've submitted the test. All right, so I'll go up, back to my recording software, and there's a stop recording button where the start recording button used to be. Okay, so I'll click stop